announcement just revealed by Bang Gi-hyuk, and the founder of Big Hit Entertainment, has rocked the K-pop world and sparked an unprecedented wave of further. In a rare interview, Bang Gi-hyuk finally gives the answer army around the world has been waiting for: what really happened between Jungkook and Jin, the lingering tension, unbridled rumor, and weird speculation that circulated for months were finally revealed in a shocking statement. However, what Bang Gi-hyuk finds in his answer is not just a clarification but a story more complex than anyone could have ever imagined. Why is their closeness, which has always been a symbol of great friendship, so deep and so full of secret? What really happened between these two ideals who had invited thousands of questions without an answer? And but confession comes from Bang Seok, and this is something that even the most devoted fans will never be able to predict. It is a moment that makes the end of all and the arguments that are overshot the relationship of those two great stars. But as always, this answer brings more questions than the closure, and a reality that may not be entirely acceptable to many. Jungkook and Jimin, two members who have been known to have a close bond, are always in the spotlight. Fans from all over the world have always seen them as two best friends who not only support each other in their career but also have a much deeper relationship than just friends. Their relationship has even and they become a symbol of the strength of friendship in the K-pop world, bound together in a warm and meaningful embrace. However, despite their closeness being a positive highlight, there is something greater behind it all, something deeply personal and look and the long buried in the silence. When the Bang Hyuk in a recent interview finally revealed a shocking reality, the K-pop world was instantly shocked. As it turned out, what is visible to the public is only a small part of a larger story. Bang Hyuk revealed that silence, that beginning of their career, the relationship between Jungkook and the Jimin is not as the beautiful and as many people imagine. Although the two are indeed very close, there is pressure coming from outside and from within the group that makes that closeness even more complicated. In the process of forming BTS, especially after the huge success they achieved around the world, the two had to face much bigger challenges that they anticipated. Over the year, many noticed that Jungkook and Jimin are often seen together, supporting each other and looking happy on stage. However, not many know what goes on behind the scene, especially during the tough time when BTS had to deal with global and fame that came so quickly. Bang Hyuk talks about the psychological challenges these two members face, which further and the exacerbates their already very intense relationship. Jimmy, known for its loving and caring nature, is often a very protective figure of Jungkook, who is more introverted. But according to Bang Hyuk, there is another side of their relationship that is the rarely revealed, an inner struggle that makes both feel trapped between the desire to maintain friendship and the demand from the outside to look perfect. With the huge demand of the K-pop industry, the two of them are forced to face a dilemma that is not easy. Bang Hyuk added that while the two stars have had the tremendous influence on each other, they have also experienced tense time, from disagreement about musical direction to huge influence from the fan who sometimes accept more than they can deliver. And when success comes so big, so does the burden they have to carry. Point one of the big questions that and the arises is why Bang Hyuk only now decided to open the story to the public. In a very rare interview, Bang Hyuk explained that the decision to reveal this truth came after much deliberation. I don't want to spoil the perfect picture of BTS has built. They are heroes to many, and their friendship is a very meaningful than however. And I think it's time to tell the world about the reality behind the scenes so that fans can better understand the struggle they are going through. Bang Hyuk said, and in a soulful tone, the statement shook K-pop that the world even more, because no one had ever thought that the relationship, which seemed so perfect, is public, was and the shrouded in a deep inner struggle. Bang Hyuk added that although Jimin and Jungkook relationship one faced many challenges, the two always tried hard to maintain their bond. They are two and the very strong individual but also very vulnerable. It was a difficult balance. Bang Hyuk said once the revelation was announced, reaction from fans varied. Some felt disappointment that this reality destroyed the perfect picture they had of the Jungkook and Jimin. However, not a few also feel more understanding and admire the two. They are human and beings, not just ideal, knowing that they are facing the same difficulties as the makes too. So the closer and then one fan wrote on social media. However, there were emotional reactions, especially from the those who felt that Jimin and Jungkook friendship was a symbol of strong togetherness, and which now seems to have to be questioned. Is that true that the two remain friends, or is there something more than friendship? This question arose in the mind of many after such revelation. However, there is one thing to note from Bang Gi-hyuk revelation. Despite the tension and challenges in their relationship, Bang Gi-hyuk insists that nothing really broke out. They still support each other, and Bang Gi-hyuk said they are family. It provides a ray of hope for many who may feel and that why they are see as a split is actually just part of a long journey full of the natural dynamics. However, before the story and the end, there is the one last confession that divides everything. Bang Gi-hyuk closed his interview by saying that there is a part of the story that has yet to be fully revealed, something that only Jimin and Jungkook will know, and perhaps only they will be able to fully reveal. This left fan with a deep sense of the curiosity. What really happened between the two of them, and is this the end of everything, or will there be a new, more surprising chapter in their story? And thus Bang Seok revealing is not just an answer to a long-standing puzzle. This is an opening to more questions that will continue to loom over the K-pop world in the time to come. And for the army, it is the unfinished journey, something they will keep learning and thinking about all the time. The story that has just been revealed about the relationship between Jungkook and Jimin, despite revealing many secrets, does not provide definitive answer about what is happening behind the scene. As Bang Gi-hyuk revealed, although these two ideals have experienced many challenges in their career and friendship, one thing is clearly that they still support each other. However, this is actually becoming more and more confusing for many fans, because after a year of seeing their incredible closeness, fans began to doubt whether it was the real picture of their relationship or just a surface that looks beautiful but full of hidden tension. Many hope that after Bang Gi-hyuk open the secret certain a little, we will get a clearer picture of the dynamics on the behind the camera. But in reality, the revelation adds a new layer of the mystery to Jimin and Jungkook relationship. And how do they actually interact when there's a camera pointing out, and that they what do they face in the silence away from the spotlight or the world? These were all the questions that only the two of them and could answer. And even Thor Bang Gi-hyuk tried to give a deeper picture. He firmly stated that there were certain limits that he would never open to the public. Some fans were surprised, even the disappointment, and they see Jimin and Jungkook relationship as a symbol of the unshakable friendship, which gives hope to many about the meaning of true friendship. However, the reality revealed actually shows that every seemingly perfect relationship have a dark side that many people don't know about. It opens a deeper discussion of how life under the spotlight of the entertainment world can be very different from what it appears on stage. Sometimes many struggle with burdens they can't express, and even those that look happy can harbor invisible wounds. Meanwhile, on the other hand, there are also those who feel closer to Jungkook and Jimin after knowing this reality. Many fans felt that Bang Gi-hyuk revelation made the better understand the pressure they were under. Is ideal, they are human alike of all us. They also have problem, have a side that cannot always be seen by other. Wrote on army who feel that they are no longer just a fan but as a someone who understands and cares more about the personal lives of his ideal. They felt that after learning more about the struggle faced by Jimin and Jungkook, their relationship with these two ideals becomes stronger, more real, and the more valuable by all thought. And there are those who feel closer, there are those who feel anxious, and that is reality could change everything that they know about. And these two are, and the many are beginning to question whether their long cherished relationship, which is often a role model in the K-pop world, can still survive after the revelation of the secret. There are creeping doubt about whether their seemingly pure closeness is actually the result of the incredible hard work is Or is there something deeper and more complicated and that they never knew about? Bang Gi-hyuk himself, despite having opened most of the story, still does not give many further and clue in his interview. He carefully avoid going into detail about Jimin and Jungkook's personal feeling for each other too, or how they both handle this tension in their daily lives. He insists and that this is their personal journey that should be cherished and should not become public consumption any further. It is a decision that makes many people wonder if there are more to reveal or if this is the end point of everything we can. How about what going to be behind the scene? And the most of us want to know more, want to look deeper, and want to understand how two people who are so close and face so many challenges without losing the bond they have. But the reality to accept is that this is the kind of relationship as expressed by Bang Gi-hyuk is something and full of the beauty but also full of the struggle. When two people are on top of the world like Jungkook and Jimin, they are not just dealing and with the outside world that keep watching them, they are also dealing with their own feelings and with the desire to remain human in the midst of all the fame they have. With this revelation, the world of K-pop, especially ARMY, is now at the crossword and they must closer and they choose to accept this reality or maintain the idealized picture of Jimin and Jungkook relationship that they have. But one thing is for sure, this relationship is much more complicated than that they once thought, and perhaps we are all just seeing the beginning of a bigger story on that. This is yet to be fully revealed. That as fans we always want to see our ideal happy, and perhaps this is a difficult time to accept that their happiness come out a price that is not easy to pay. However, although we may feel surprised or even disappointed, we cannot ignore the fact that Jungkook and Jimin, despite all their challenges and struggle, remain together, and that in the end is that the most important thing, and that they still support each other, keep each other afloat, although the world is constantly changing around them. And in the midst of the controversy, one thing is certain: Jimin and Jungkook closeness is not an illusion. It was a journey that, thoughtful of the trials, still led and them to one greater goal, a friendship that will always be remembered in all its beauty and complexity. The world of K-pop may never be the same after this, but for ARMY, the story is just beginning and no one can predict what will the unfold. I hope you will enjoy this video, like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Perfect picture they had of the Jungkook and Jimin. However, not a few also feel more understanding and admire the two. They are human and beings, not just ideal, knowing that they are facing the same difficulties as the us makes too. So the closer and them, one fan wrote on social media. However, there were emotional reactions, especially from the those who felt that Jimin and Jungkook friendship was a symbol of strong togetherness, and which now seems to have to be questioned. Is that true that the two remain friends, or is there something more than friendship? This question arose in the mind of many after such revelation. However, there is one thing to note from Bang Gi-hyuk revelation: despite the tension and challenges in their relationship, Bang Gi-hyuk insists that nothing really broke out. They still support each other, and Bang Gi-hyuk said they are family. It provides a ray of hope for many who may feel and that why they see as a split is actually just part of a long journey full of the natural dynamics. However, before this story and the end, there is the one last confession that divides everything. Bang Gi-hyuk closed his interview by saying that there is a part of the story that has yet to be fully revealed, something that only Jimin and Jungkook will know, and perhaps only they will be able to fully reveal. This left fan with a deep sense of the curiosity. What really happened between the two of them, and is this the end of everything, or will there be a new, more surprising chapter in their story? And thus Bang Gi-hyuk revealing is not just an answer to a long-standing puzzle. This is an opening to more questions that will continue to loom over the K-pop world in the time to come. And for the ARMY, it is the unfinished journey, something they will keep learning and thinking about all the time. The story that has just been revealed about the relationship between Jungkook and Jimin